So hi guys, this is Supriya Kabra here from Cosmic Consultants. Did I forget to start my video? Am I allowed to start my video?
Yes, you can.
So can we request all the participants to please put off your video so that we can save on bandwidth?
Yes, we can.
Thank you so very much guys. All right, so here you can see me now. This is Supriya Kabra here. I'm director of Cosmic Consultants and founder of Intrago, that's our mobile app. Before I start with the actual session, I really want to thank L&D Global, Pranavesh and the entire beautiful team who have been putting in a lot of efforts. And thank you, Urvi, especially to you for being so consistent to be behind my life and get all the details that you wanted. So thank you so very much. And I'm so excited that the series 2.0 starts with me and it's like, yay! Superb. So tell me very quickly, guys, what do you, so we are going to completely chat. I am sure this lockdown might have taught you a lot of chatting by now. So let's continue with the learnings. Okay, let's continue with the chatting also. So what do you understand by this people management in uncertain times? What is it so different that we are going to do? Or rather we should be doing? Why is it different than the normal days? I would expect a quick answers in the chat box. Anything that comes to your mind, the first thing that comes to your mind when you say people management in uncertain times. इसमें अलग क्या है?
No, take care of your people, first place.
Take care of your people. You were always doing it, isn't it? So
Yeah,
अब
that
क्या
will
बदल गया?
keep your team and trust.
Managing teams in work from home model, trust building. That's all right. Wow, in touch with the people. Okay, tell me, as we go ahead, okay, you have to be very quick, okay? So समझ लो कि it is your chatting challenge. And quickly tell me, what is your status right now? What is your emotional status right now? As we are moving ahead to this lockdown, and the lockdowns are getting more extended and extended and extended. Pranavesh is happy? I should have asked this to your boss maybe. How are you feeling? Here, there are people who are feeling confident about what? About the lockdown? 50% of confidence of doing well. Eager to learn. No, yaar, I'm actually speaking about your feelings, about your business, about your profession, about whatever job you are into. What is your feeling? Are you scared? Are you anxious? Are you confused? Are you what? You're bored. क्या यार मोदी जी भी ना बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं लॉकडाउन worried irritated that's so right feeling sick खाना भी बोर हो गया होगा ना अभी तो so just imagine if you are bored you are irritated and I am assuming that most of us are already on a leadership position can you just think about अगर आप irritated हो तो what about your team how they must be feeling. And mind you, guys, whatever our feelings are, consciously, subconsciously, we pass it to our team, pass it to our family, pass it to everybody around us. I'm sure you might have noticed n number of times. When you're happy, you feel everything is so romantic, so good, so happy. Right? And when you are irritated of something, you mess it up with everyone that comes to your way. So it actually literally means that first, if we don't know how we can manage ourselves in this lockdown times, how are we as leaders going to help our team? They must be more irritated. They must be more confused. They must be more clueless. And majorly, they must be anxious about what is going to happen. कल मेरे सर मिस्टर रवि बजाज मुझे फोन करके ये ना बोल दे कि भाई तेरी तो 50% सैलरी गई. तो अगर रवि बजाज बोर हो गए तो सोच के देखो या इरिटेट हो गए तो उनके एम्प्लॉय का या उनके स्टाफ का क्या होने वाला है जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट गाइस सो व्हाट आर द keys ravi ji thank you so much for taking it so sportily yeah I'm going to take up this kind of examples so what is the objective for today what should be our objective after lockdown during lockdown with our teams with our people around us I am clueless. Can you help? Can we all set the objective? To be with them. You're so irritated, yeah. Then how are you going to be with them? That's all right. To be mindful, that's again right. Okay. And how are we going to do it? Personal connect? Be happy? Okay. So how are you going to, is it possible to be connected daily with them and make them, can I do this? Can I literally call up my team daily and tell them that, yeah, everything is good. I am with you. I'm with you. Can we do it daily?
Not daily, at least twice or thrice in a week at least.
यहाँ सुबह से शाम तक ना मुझे खुद को एज अ कंसल्टेंट फियर होने लगता है कि मेरा एक आधा क्लाइंट मेरी पत्ती तो नहीं काटेगा ना बाय दिस ईयर एंड बाय दिस मंथ एंड व्हेन आई रेज माय इनवॉइसेस.
It hardly takes 15 minutes to join everybody on a call and just say, motivate them for 15 20
Daily
minutes.
meeting
How
is
hard?
important. Plan of action daily is important. I would want to beg my pardon here and differ a bit from you. किसी ने स्टार्टिंग में कहा था that trust is really important, right? So how can we build a system or how can we build something which using that my team will always feel connected to me, my team will know that I have the trust in them, they can have the trust in me, and they would know when the things are changing. There can be a drastic change, isn't it? Subah se shaam mein there can be a lot of things which will change with us during this time. Yes, definitely. क्योंकि शाम में आपने एक मीटिंग की टीम के साथ, जस्ट इमेजिन कि टुमारो दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी विल डू, एंड रात में मोदी जी ने आके बोल दिया द लॉकडाउन इज एक्सटेंडेड टिल 3rd May. अब क्या करोगे? राइट. सो एट दिस टाइम इवन आवर डेली प्लान्स may go on toss, and we as a leader may go quickly very clueless. So how are we going to help our team during such time? What do you think? What is management? What is management according to you? I'm sure most of you will agree to this definition, that efficiently, effectively, and economic use of resources. And anyway, economic use is right for taking a huge game, right? Everybody is talking about economy. Everybody is talking about financial reserves, right? So what are the major what are the major resources that you have to manage? According to the balance scorecard techniques, these are the major reserves. What are those? Customers, financials, internal process, and people. Do you agree that these are the major 4 resources? Okay. Let me very quickly tell you that these 2 are the direct link, people and customer. And mark my words, take my words, I can write it down to you with my signature on a bond paper, that all you have to do during this uncertain times and even during the normal times is just take care of your people, and they will take care of the rest of it. ये जो बाकी के आपके जितने भी resources है ना, everybody would be well managed if you are able to manage your people very well.
So Supriya, I keep on telling one sentence every time to my team only, that whenever it is, so I have people down the line on the leadership positions, I only tell them only one thing: take care of people and people will take care of your business.
Absolutely. And I will tell you, there is एक recently एक movie देख रही थी. Obviously, lockdown has blessed us with a lot of movies, and we have no other option than watching a movie, right? So I was watching Carvaan, and just watch that, guys. There is a clip there. उसमें बीच में एक office का scene है, and that is a classic example when this gentleman, who is kind of on a leadership role, project lead, and was screwing up with his prospective customer a lot. He's actually abusing that customer. And there walks the boss out from his cabin, abusing this gentleman, his employee. How dare can you speak to this man who can be a prospective employee? And he's shouting on everyone. And that is a very, very classic case study where you can actually relate कि अगर boss ही अपने employee की मार रहा है ना, so you can't expect your employees to be very good and candid to your customers, or for that matter, even to your vendors. And let me tell you, in my career of around 12 years, I've seen certain things very clearly. You know what? There had been a company जिनका accounts team vendors को सीधा बोलता था, किसने बोला तुझे माल सप्लाई करने, अगर पैसा नहीं मिला है ना तुझे तो मत दे माल, चलेगा. And the plant was getting affected because if the raw material is not supplied, वो production के machines का I can't do anything. Correct? So this was a very classic case, and then we started actually analyzing कि ये कहाँ से शुरू हुआ. How can a accounts team speak like this to a vendor? And then we started understanding that there are huge gaps of communication from top management to these people and from there to the line below. So it always goes top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
So be very thoughtful whenever next you are doing anything. And let me tell you, dear leaders, you are observed every minute. And your employees are nothing less than a kid around you in your family, who is observing you and trying to imitate you in every which ways. Even if you hire a 40 years experienced person, still that person is going to try and imitate you, because it's you who is initiating the culture building process. So if your culture is not such that you are not building a healthy culture, please be very sure of the results. So अगर आपने seeds bubble के लगाए हैं तो mangoes नहीं आएंगे. So be very thoughtful of what you are doing. How are you prepared? What are you doing? How are you talking to the people? How are you following the system? If you deviate on the systems, be rest assured that everybody slowly and gradually today or tomorrow are going to deviate the systems. And they're not going to follow the rules. So for you, it becomes very necessary to follow the rules first and then pass it on to the others. Gyan mat do. Walk the talk. Okay? So here, let's move ahead. Your people are your strategic advantage. Trust me, it's like that. अगर इंसान घर बना सकता है तो घर तोड़ भी सकता है. Similarly, if your people are, if they put in their 100%, they can build your empire. बट अगर वो अपने पे उतर आए तो आपका अंपायर बना बनाया भी वो तोड़ देंगे. So there are only 3 major parameters or measurement tools to check on your overall company's performance, and those are whom? They are your internal customers, customer satisfaction, and cash flow. So what do you mean by internal customers? I'm sure most of you know. I don't want to waste time on that definition. So internal customers majorly can be your employees, can be anybody who is kind of associated to you internally. So everybody who's internally associated, your own departmental people, your interdepartmental people, or whoever, they are your internal customers. Their engagement necessarily means engagement to your vision, mission, and objective, your values, your policies, your systems. विजन एंगेजमेंट का मतलब दिवाली और होली पर तैयार होकर फोटो खिंचाना नहीं होता.
नहीं.
तो प्लीज आपकी वैल्यूज, आपकी पॉलिसीज को रोल आउट कीजिए, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रोल आउट कीजिए. एंड उसके बाद में लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज द वेरी करेक्ट टाइम व्हेन यू कैन एक्चुअली यूटिलाइज योर टाइम डूइंग दिस. हाउ? सो वी हैव कस्टमाइज्ड, हमने कस्टमाइज्ड हाउसी बनाया है. Tambola housey that we play usually, and most of us have already played with our friends, family, and whoever. We have customized it. Instead of numbers, we have words picked up from your policy, picked up from your value systems, picked up from your competencies. And through that, we are rolling down your policies, your values, your competencies. So engagement का engagement virtually it is also possible. Over Zoom also it is possible. So हम engagement activity भी करा रहे हैं ताकि virtually सब जन अपने अपने घर पर बैठे तो we know what are they doing and how we can keep them engaged. And when we are keeping them engaged, it should also be a win-win strike. So this kind of innovative techniques you can use to roll down, नहीं तो वो policy या value किताब का एक हिस्सा बनकर रह जाएगी और उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. और उसके लिए आपको हमारे जैसे कंसल्टेंट्स की जरूरत नहीं है. गूगल पे बहुत डेटा है. इफ यू वांट टू कस्टमाइज इट, ओनली देन यू नीड सम एक्सपर्ट्स.
ओके.
सो मूविंग अहेड, who are the focus leaders? Who are the focus leaders? Who manage self, who manage the technical areas, manage their project and changes, or manage the people? Do you really think during this uncertain times we need leaders who would be called or stamped as focused if they are able to manage this all? Do you agree? Yes or no? Quickly write in the chat box. How many of you agree to this? You will call a leader as focused. Yes, 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 yes. I'm getting a couple of yeses. Agree. You know what? I slightly disagree. This is important. लेकिन ये तो uncertain times के लिए जरूरी नहीं है. These are the parameters for every time. Then why? How will I call a leader as a focused leader? Only when he knows how to manage people's anxiety, worry, stress, all emotions. He will be called as a focused leader who very well knows what is the requirement of his or her team. You have to really know, क्योंकि दुनिया बोल रही है कि अभी ना टीम्स में बहुत एंजाइटी होगी. Necessarily does not mean कि आपके टीम में भी एंजाइटी ही होगी. No.
So it is said that अपने एम्प्लॉय के नस को जानना या दुखती रत को जानना.
Absolutely bang on, Pranavesh. I give a kudos to you, and that's what we are coming to. You know what? What's more important is first you know the employee's life cycle. I'm quickly going to take you through this: attracting, onboarding, developing, engaging, recognizing, and transitions. You know, and let me tell you, you as a leader is a navigator for each and every of your team member to navigate him or her smoothly through all this cycle. Wherein you play a very vital role in the remaining three things: engagement, recognition, and transition. Now, when I say recognition, please stop that employee, employee of the year and employee of the month. That's a very small thing of recognition. That's a very, very small thing of recognition. And daily kudos is another some very small story. If you ask me, I am not a person who just got daily kudos will drive. हर एक का kick अलग चीजों में होता है. So you got to identify the kick of your every person, of your every team member. Some may get motivated by a cash prize. The other may not get motivated by it. The other may have his psychological needs to be taken care of, his social needs to be taken care of. So you actually need to identify and create a win-win policy for your team. Please get this very clear, okay? And transition. For us, transition is also not easy, even being a leader or even being a senior position. I'm assuming that most of us today are seniors and have at least a decade's experience. But हमारे लिए भी किसी भी change को accept करना is not at all easy. So then how can we imagine or how can we just say कि यार इसमें इतनी बड़ी बात क्या है? Can't they see their own benefits in the changes in the policy? No, they can't. The reason I'll tell you, most of the employee policy manuals, okay, Get My Works, we call it as employee handbook, employee policy manual, or an employee's guide also. There are some fancy names given in companies. But have you ever seen that the approach of that HR manual, that employee handbook, is not written from an employee's perspective? Are we showing them the benefits that they will get if they follow such framework? Do we write it in such a way? Are we making it really innovative, interactive? Is our induction itself interactive? Is our induction even innovative? Do you really think that a dance flash mob करने से, welcome करने से, he will be much motivated? शायद.
What I have done induction के लिए, so we have come up with an introductory audio video based with this induction module. So presentation तो है हमारा, जो one day induction होता है, but when the employee joins the company organization, तब हम लोग उसको एक छोटा सा 10 minutes का वीडियो भेजते हैं. वो 10 minutes का वीडियो is made on the Powtoon वाला कार्टून कैरेक्टर वाला जो Powtoon है ना, animated based. So I have shortlisted some crisp pointers from the induction. What does an employee need to know on the first day of the joining? वो करके मैंने एक Powtoon में एक animated video बनाया, which is been floated from the RHRs only. जिस दिन joining formalities हो गया, वो दे देते हैं.
This is a brilliant idea, but you know what, Pranavesh, not everybody will know some tools and techniques like Powtoon like you. Number one. Number two, such animated or such high-class videos are very expensive. So let me tell you, there are other ways also of doing it. Like your PPT-based, some basic animation still works. There is something called a storytelling technique. There can be something called a Stinkle comic. There are n number of innovations that you can do with your small HR manual, employee handbook. And I feel immense proud to tell you that we as Cosmic actually did, just to make it sure that everybody do not have to spend lakhs to get such interactive manual, which usually the MNCs do, and which is not very popular yet in India. But can actually play a very good magic. This is the correct time when you can co-create with your own employees. You can actually see how can you engage their talent. There may be a lot of painters in your team which you may not know. वो भी शायद भूल गए होंगे कि they are a good painter, and you can utilize them for creating something new, creating a history probably of your company, right? And with due credits you have to give. उस सारे images के नीचे या कहीं पर भी at the end there should be the name of those people who contributed to this manual. वो जब आप करते हैं ना, तो आप किसी और लेवल पे अपनी कंपनी की चीजों को लेके जाते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू, some awards like Great Place to Work does not, मतलब only the corporates does not qualify for that. Anybody can qualify for that only if you have certain XYZ 10 factors that make you qualify. So please get to that. Mayank, we would share that sample of engagement with you. For sure, we will do that. There is a private message to me. I will share that with you today itself at the end of this. So we talked about employee life cycle, which we typically know. What about we leaders? हमारा तो कोई सोचता ही नहीं. Let me tell you this. We have grown up from being a personal star by employee of the month, employee of the year, and whatever. Then looking at our managerial skills, somehow our company might have given us a promotion of being a manager. Then what are leaders and manager? I really do not want to get into that differentiation. I'm sure you know that. But from there, our actual journey starts. From there, if you are a leader already, then you have to grow up and be the culture definer. You have to start defining the culture, which later can be created into a legacy. Why only one or two people are so much remembered in the industry? Because they've created a legacy. They've marked something which is very different for the entire industry altogether. Are we growing to that levels? अगर हम उस level पे नहीं जा रहे हैं ना, तो don't expect our team to be very ambitious. No. हम ही नहीं है, तो how can you train them to be ambitious, right? On that note, let me quickly take you to the next important thing. So KYC, we all know. What is KYT? What is KYT, guys? Can anyone write down in the chat box? What is KYT? Know your team, Ravi ji. Wow. Lovely. Aman sir, thank you. Mayank, wonderful. So how are we going to know our team? What is it that we should know when we say know your team? तो क्या-क्या जानना जरूरी है टीम के बारे में? क्या-क्या जानना जरूरी है टीम के बारे में? Their goals, strengths, lovely, and nature, family, okay, or aspirations, weakness, super Pranavesh. Yes, Dhanya, wonderful. The skill levels, wow. Okay, what if I tell you अभी अभी की अभी आप लोग अपना कोई सपना याद कीजिए कि यार मैं ना कॉलेज डेज तक आई वांटेड टू डू दिस या मैं इस चीज में बहुत अच्छा था. How I wish I could have pursued my XYZ things. Just imagine of that. Any one thing. Yes, you guys are right. Behavior, aspirations, life, disguise, everything. Correct. लेकिन कोई एक चीज जो भूली बिसरी यादें बन गई ऐसी अगर हमारी हो सकती है तो हमारी टीम की भी हो सकती है. You know what? You are the only person who can help them live everything. If you know what are their strengths, weakness, everything, and if you can help them work on their weakness and utilize the best of their strengths so that their weakness are covered up, nobody can stop you to be the legacy leader in the world. Trust me. And nobody will ever leave you during this uncertain times also. Then you will be that leader जो उसने एक बार बोल दिया कि यार मैं ये चाहता हूं तो सारा टीम वो चीज करेगा ही करेगा. नो क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड पर करेगा. Even if you tell them कि यार you know what, tomorrow I'm going to cut your salary and also going to offer you leave without pay for 10 days, but still you have to work more than 12 hours for me. And if you are that kind of leader who knows कि उनके ड्रीम्स, एस्पिरेशंस, स्ट्रेंथ्स ये सब पे कैसे काम करना है, तो इतना सब उनके बारे में आपने बोलकर भी कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू फुल सैलरी, आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू टू टेक लीव विदाउट पे, स्टिल दे आर गोइंग टू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट देम टू डू. सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज बॉन्ड विद देम वेरी क्लोजली. वो टीम लंच पे जब जाते हैं ना उसको सिर्फ एक प्लेटर की तरह मत देखो यार कि थोड़ा खाना वाना खिला दिया, थोड़ा ऐसे कर दिया वैसे कर दिया अच्छा फील होगा. नहीं. There by playing some games or doing some unconventional activities, unconventional chat, you can actually know about something which is deep dived in their heart. और उन्होंने शायद सालों से किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया है. So if you can trickle them, trickle their that deep dive thought in their heart, you will be the best leader who would be playing a role of a bagpiper and would be followed by the entire team anywhere and everywhere. So you actually need to be that. Be there in their good and bad, worst time also, even if they are your ex-employees. Mark my words, even if they are your ex-employees, if you can still stand by them, they would stand by you in your good and bad times. Visiting their home and meeting family, not much required. Good, Kamal, you took that point. I'll tell you. So one fine year, what we did, on the Children's Day, I had personally took down a list of all the children of the client employees, gender-wise, every which ways. I had selected certain gifts which will contribute to their life, like maybe some science games, solar games, any such games as per the age-wise. Okay. एंड उस के हाथ से जब मैंने चिल्ड्रंस डे पे उनके लिए गिफ्ट्स पहुंचवाए तो वो इमोशनल कनेक्ट आ गया, यू नो, ऑफ मेकिंग देम फील स्पेशल बाय देयर कंपनी. अगेन there can be some small things that we can do in our daily life, you know. The perquisites incentives may not be a monetary incentive all the time or giving a medal or a certificate. No, उसका वो लोग अचार डाल के खाने नहीं वाले हैं दोस्त. So what is it that we can contribute? Can we contribute to their family life? How? So everybody of us might have still a dream of a restaurant. कि मैं ना इस रेस्टोरेंट में मेरी फैमिली को लेके जाना चाहता हूँ. Maybe Taj, maybe ITC, maybe anything, you know, anything. Maybe a holiday destination, anything. There may be a dream. या हम अपने आप को उस लेवल पे ग्रो करने की कुछ ड्रीम्स देखते होंगे. Similarly, our team must also be seeing some dreams. So according to that levels, can we start gifting them a dinner coupon? Maybe a small, that kind of thing. Then this kind of things work. उस उतनी भी जरूरत नहीं है ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन टाइम्स जहां हमें अपने पैसों का ही पता आता नहीं है ना, वहां मैं आपको एक वंडरफुल आइडिया देती हूँ. अगर आपके टीम मेंबर जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन टाइम्स ऑल्सो, कैन वी स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन थैंक यू लेटर टू him or her and their family, stating thank you so much for contributing in our company during our bad times, during such a difficult time for all of us. And I'm sure Mr. or Miss XYZ could contribute staying at home still at the same level or maybe more, only because the family was so supportive. A handwritten note, Mayank, or maybe a typed note with a, but that words should not be a feeling of Google ka copy paste. Let that words come from your heart. Yes, Pranavesh, give me 2 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So, कुछ इस तरीके से लिखिए, मे बी उसका एक अचीवमेंट लिखिए ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन. Make it a little customized note that one makes more wonders than giving him a lakh rupee. And trust me, it has touched my heart too when मेरे हस्बैंड के ऑफिस से एक नोट आती है जैसे ही लॉकडाउन शुरू होता है, स्टेटिंग कि भगवान ना करे आप लोगों में से किसी को कोविड हो, लेकिन अगर आपके स्पाउस को या आपके बच्चों को ऐसी ये कोरोना का कुछ भी होता है तो all the medical expenses should be taken care by our company. And that note itself was so touching and was so strength giving कि okay, there is someone who is taking care of us other than our own family. So that such small things can contribute emotionally to your teams and to their families. And let me tell you, right now is the era when we are in the business of emotions. I'm repeating, we are in the business of emotions. Right now, अगर आप उनके emotions को संभाल लेंगे, तो आप सब कुछ जीत लेंगे. So quick thing, know their side of story, check with them what is it right now that they are facing. There can be anything. A small thing like I am having a problem, यहाँ आम ही नहीं मिल रहा है यार, तो क्या ये पूरा सीजन आम नहीं खाएंगे? Something like that, you know. But know their side of story. One important thumb rule, co-create. Whatever it is, any small, big decision, any changes in the policy, maybe a salary cut, anything, co-create. Tell your problems to them. You know, I am a management, but I'm facing some problems. Do you have anything that you can help me with? Allow them to help you. They will feel that pride. They will feel that immense satisfaction of coming to a level where they can help you. So please allow them to help you. And as you know, when we are in a situation, we cannot think wisely. So allow some other person to be your think tank. And who better than your team? Then, what comes next to us? Transparency? Yes. Whatever your situation is right now, please be very transparent. Even if you are going to lay off somebody after everything is normal and once you start resuming your office, please tell them from now. You know what? Because if you're inconsistent performance and right now the behavior that you had during such difficult times, we are thinking of laying you off after we resume our office. So this is an informal notification to you that please start searching for another offer letter for you from some other company. We are sorry, but then we are going to lay you off. Any good or bad decisions, please be very transparent to them. Keep them very well updated in a very short time. Be very fair. Why I'm saying be fair? You know what? Tomorrow, we all are talking about we will be needing highly skilled and multi-skilled people. But did we give them a fair chance to grow their skills? Were we transparent enough to tell them that what is it that we are going to expect after this lockdown? अभी हमें ये skills की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Okay, so be very fair, be very transparent. Communication is the key. How are you communicating? Are you communicating very often to them? Please look at that. Communication is a real key. हर एक problem का solution है. And trust. ट्रस्ट को पास कीजिए अपने टीम में. Tell them that you still trust them. Communicate in a way, have that sort of bonding with them that they also start trusting you that आप randomly किसी के लिए भी कुछ भी गलत नहीं करने वाले हो. You are going to be very thoughtful before taking up any such decisions. Quickly, I'm going to run through because Pranavesh has given me last 5 minutes, okay, which I'm going to take 7 minutes now. Okay, so hire, if you can engage them for 26 into 9 and 312 days, 26 days, 9 hours, 312 days. Hire for their character and train for their skills, which we usually know. I'm talking about lockdown more. It's time for highly skilled and multi-skilled people. So now after lockdown, if you feel that you need a team, please have highly skilled and multi-skilled people. Only then you will be able to survive for a longer time. Define their roles, KRAs, KPIs at the start. Please यार quarter खत्म होने के बाद या performance appraisal के बाद मत बताओ कि the employee was not productive. That's a bullshit. You never told them at the start. So they never knew what are you exactly expecting. Collaborate and communicate are the two keys. They are actually the two thumb rules. Collaborate and communicate. If they feel that they have contributed to your decisions, only then they will have that ownership. Okay. Keep them updated about whatever is happening. सुबह लिया decision अगर शाम तक change हो गया है ना, या change करना पड़ सकता है ना, तो please update them. Maybe you can add a footnote that this may be unofficial or this may be not the final decision, but please let them know. Yeah, let them know. Be the architect of their growth. Navigate them through the growth path. Tell them what is it that you feel you can design for them. Lead by example. This is very important. Whatever you want to do, you have to walk the talk right now. You can't be feeling moron and giving them a motivation. They would never get motivated. So agar irritated ho, to Mr. Bajaj, be very sure that your team is already irritated then. So you got to stay calm, focused. You should know what exactly do you want. Motivate and appreciate them quite often. अभी का टाइम ऐसा है ना कि हर थोड़े थोड़े छोटे बड़ी चीजों के लिए भी if you appreciate ना, they are going to feel very good. उनका confidence level, उनका self esteem बना रहेगा. So please help them with this. As leaders and managers, you are the executors of all the policies. So be very critical about it. And majorly, keep every small and big thing in writing. वरना until मैंने आपके नाम अभी कर दिया. Hope you got my joke, right? So keep things in writing. Treat your employees exactly as the way you want them to treat your customers. And most important, give them a listening ear. Listen to them endlessly. Even if a person is repeating the same story for the third time, please give them a patience ear. It's very important. They can't speak to their family about their anxieties. Please understand that. वो अपने माँ बाप या अपनी बीवी को जाके अपने पति को जाके नहीं बता सकता है कि यार कल पता नहीं मेरी जॉब चली जाएगी. It's you who can be that ear right now. And then you can take out your points उसमें से when he is downloading his anxiety to you, you can take out that points कि अब मुझे इसे कैसे help करनी है. How can I design a plan to help this man out? All right. So take out the points, take out your notes when your person is speaking to you. Be their support, guide, mentor, and definitely a friend. If you can see the image, ये जो handshake है ना, this handshake is a reliving handshake where the person is saying कि it's okay, I'm there for you. I am there for you is a magical word right now, which can play more magic than anything else. So always tell them कि okay, कुछ भी होएगा ना, तो I'm still there for you. अगर जॉब जाती भी है तो I'll try and find out a good job for you. I'll help you get references, and that will really work. And there is nothing wrong in getting a reference job for your team whom you are going to fire for any reasons if you are going to. Let's do it. let that be the approach. Whatever you do, good or bad, let the approach be कि let's do it together. जो होगा देखा जाएगा, but let's do it together. जिएंगे साथ में, मरेंगे साथ में. Let that be the approach, and then see your team would be through the most turbulent time that is yet to come. And be honest, be you all the time. On that note, thank you. I am open for questions.
Okay, thank you so much, Supriya. Here, you may just stop sharing the screen out there so that
Yes.
we can all talk together. Okay. Okay, people can open up for questions by raising your hands. We are opening the room for question and answer. Great discussion, Supriya. Kamal Sachdeva.
Thank you, Kamal.
Any
Thank you,
question?
Aman sir.
Right?
Aman sir has privately, uploaded me, and Aman sir is one of his kind. So he's a VP to NHI, and it means a lot to me from coming in appreciation from him.
Okay.
So questions नहीं होंगे तो ऐसा लगेगा यार कुछ मजा नहीं आया. It didn't make sense,
Then I was sharing actually one thing which you said that engagement में हम awards and recognition या maybe a thank you letter, right? So what we generally do is so we send the star of the moment or maybe star of the month employees जो होते हैं या हमारे पास और 3-4 categories. One is platinum award, one is gem and emerging star. So we send out a letter that okay, your son or your daughter is a gem emerging star or maybe a star of the moment, a star of the month employee for this, and we send out this letter thanking their parents and their families. Every time, every month we send out, and this message or the letter has gone from CEO's desk.
Wow.
It's his signature which goes to his family. Along with a 2,500 ka pre-activated ICICI gift card. This is one aspect of it. Second aspect, what you said was sharing movie tickets or sharing something which can be just a kind of a smaller token of appreciation every time that he gives you. Yes, we do have. Yeah, we do have a movie theater wala thing because our office is right above the Sangam Complex Theater, Sangam Theater, which is the Carnival Cinemas. So what we do generally is we give out the sales team is generally generating sales leads and everything. The person who is highest, the branch who is highest, the entire branch goes for a movie, and we sell the entire movie ka tickets. This is how it.
But then on that note, I would want to tell you, first of all, thank you, Deepak Dhania, for appreciating. I hope you really like. But then no questions leaves me to a lot of open-ended thoughts. But okay. So Pranavesh, here, engaging your employees is one aspect. And the other aspect is engaging your families, engaging the families of your employees. It's another aspect where their loyalty question goes high.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, and why do I personally feel that restaurants play a more magic because movie, somehow they can afford. आज नहीं तो कल. But then कभी restaurant sometimes you feel यार मैं coffee पीने ताज में गया. So that may be a prestige thing for them.
Exactly.
And जब वो अपनी family को वहाँ लेके जाता है ना, तो उसका खुद का भी self esteem high हो जाता है क्योंकि उसकी family starts feeling good about that person suddenly. And tomorrow, if that person wants to leave for any XYZ reasons, their family may stop them from leaving. इतनी अच्छी तो कंपनी है, you remember? उन्होंने हमें last time किधर भेजा था? वरना तो हम शायद और 1 साल तक afford नहीं कर पाते. So sometimes such small things can play a big magic. किसी का like one of my office boys from one of my client had a dream, उसकी mom का major surgery हुई थी and he wanted to gift a some silk sari which are expensive after उसकी mama ठीक हो जाए तो life and death का सवाल होने के बाद we all feel that for our parents, and we as a team, we as a company, we contributed to get that dream fulfilled for him. And I have actually seen him crying endlessly about that small thing. So I don't think that 1-2,000 ka sari, which he probably could not afford, was a big deal for a company to get back that ROI of loyalty from him.
Exactly. So I'll share one incident of my team only. Okay. So I had this new person joining in my team who was a very, very junior executive. And so he was in this form filling or data filling of the employee connect and everything. So he used to just joining formalities के kit आता था, वो filing करता था, इतना ही था. So very, 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 very poor background family earning a 12,000 grand, 12 grand to 13 grand in a month. Okay. Now this guy, after joining of 3 months, he bought a new TV at his house, and he stays in a chawl system. Okay. Now after joining 3 months, he bought a first TV at his place, which was an Onida TV of 8,000 and 9,000. Later, a month or two, he bought a washing machine, which was around a 12,000 washing machine. And he felt so happy. The next day morning, he came to the office and he was burst out of crying. Said, "Sir, I bought 2 things at my place by the salary. So I saved a lot of money and I bought this." And SBFC made this because I never thought of buying this stuff for my household purpose, because we never thought of that way. But today when that is how I also felt the notion that how we are helping those families.
Yeah, and the moment you start engaging them, क्योंकि किसी भी कारण से the person may not be able to contribute the way he wants to contribute, but if we can extend at least our one finger to that person and tell them, क्योंकि I'm there. Only this one sentence, अगर उतना सा एक sentence can play a magic, तो problem ही क्या है? So they're not literally going to come back every time and beg you for certain things, but that one sentence makes actually magical.
Later
he has a question. I can see a question here, Pranavesh.
Somebody has a question?
Yeah, Vinita said, how to overcome by fear of uncertainty. Vinita, Pranavesh, can I allow this lady to?
Yeah. One second. Vinita, I'll just unmute you. Just give me a minute.
She's there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Vinita.
Vinita, go ahead.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I wanted to ask if I'm feeling uncertainty all the time and fear, and I'm not able to focus on my work. जबकि मैं मेडिटेशन कर रही हूँ एंड क्रिएटिविटी में खुद को बिजी रखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, एंड जो ऑफिस की तरफ से जो काम है उसमें बहुत ऐसा, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो डर जो माइंड में बना हुआ है कि क्या हो रहा है और क्या होगा, एंड इमोशनली बार बार डाउन फील करने लगती हूँ अभी इस वाले टाइम पे स्पेशली ऐसा हो रहा है.
एक दिन अभी कुछ दिनों पहले विनीता मेरा भी ऐसा आया था, to be very honest, and let me tell you this. अभी कुछ दिनों पहले when I all suddenly started feeling कि यार अगर मेरे clients ने अपने employees की कुछ काटी तो ऐसा कंसल्टेंट मेरी कुछ ना कट जाए, salary or anything, या कभी कोई afford ही नहीं कर पाया तो बोलेगा मैम let's hold for your project for some time and then let's continue after we revive, okay, completely. So एक रात मेरी भी ऐसे गई, then I started feeling कि उसका मैं कर ही क्या सकती हूँ. Is there anything in my hand that I can do? No. So let me figure out what is it in my hand, okay? And then if you start writing down that ये anxiety या ये anxiousness मुझे क्यों आ रही है, मेरा नंबर क्यों आ सकता है कि मेरा या तो ले ऑफ हो जाए या सैलरी कट जाए, या what is it exactly that I'm anxious about. Start figuring that out first, Vinita. Then secondly think, okay, इसकी root क्या है? Is there anything that I can help myself? Okay. Then I started feeling, okay, I can help myself by creating brand, by alternatively finding some more clients for me. And then, अगर I can do that and मेरे वो efforts 1% भी pay off कर जाएंगे, so I'll still have that plan B ready for me, right? And plan A में जो डर मुझे था कि मेरा क्लाइंट मेरी पत्ती काट सकता है, वो अगर नहीं हुआ तो मेरा plan B will work like a bonus for me, isn't it? I'll get another client in my bouquet. So I guess, Vanita, you got to first know what exactly is your worry and which is making you so anxious. Do you really know that shayad your competency, your skills, there is something that you know within your heart or within yourself कि शायद इस वजह से मुझे issues हो सकते हैं in the near future?
So introspection is one thing that you'll have to do, Vinita. So introspection आप जब करोगे तो हो सकता है कि मे बी अभी आपको लगता होगा कि ये सारी चीजें हो सकती है, but then really if you drill down your introspection to a certain level, हो सकता है, Kamal rightly said, root cause analysis, which we say RCA. When you drill down with a why analysis and then you come up to say, बस ये प्रॉब्लम था, पर ये प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन या ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, प्रॉब्लम तो कुछ और ही है, हो भी सकता.
Absolutely. And then for a couple of people who may feel, okay, so shayad abhi tak aapka company was working on, say, Excel, okay? Example, a very raw example, very basic example. So say tomorrow your company feels, okay, let me get an ERP or an automated software which can एक आदमी मेरे कम हो जाएगा या दो आदमी मेरे कम हो जाएंगे, मुझे better results मिलेगा, productivity मिलेगा. And because you don't know that software, maybe that can be one of the reasons for you getting laid off. I am just giving an example, Vinita. It is not about you, okay? So try and understand that what is it that's going to change in your profile, what is it that's going to change in your company, and that may affect your job. And immediately start working on it on a very fast track. Did I answer you, Vinita?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Most welcome. My pleasure.
Anybody else has questions, or we can just drop off this entire session today? I guess.
Sir, Amit Murukar, I'm so sorry if I have pronounced it wrong. So he has asked something.
When will the situation become normal? Will I be able to travel? When will the office environment back as normal? Missing it already. Amit, don't worry. After the lockdown, it will all open.
But then till that time, you really don't have to do that. Do you know internationally abhi kya ho raha hai? People are doing a cocktail party over Zoom or over any video platform. And they're getting their entire teams with their own wine glasses, their own wine, their own stock, and they're doing a party right there. They're just
Supriya.
No, but the wine shops are already open, I guess. Here it is not.
People already had stock. Lockdown announce होने के पहले सबसे ज़्यादा जिस दुकान पर गर्दी थी वो थी wine shops. For your info, Pranavesh. Yes, Amit, you were saying something.
Yes, I was saying that the reason why I asked that question, this was because Vinita asked this question.
Correct.
That she is anxious and she doesn't know what to do. The fear is there. Many times, fear is basically for because now I am not in the place of work where I am working. I have gone back home. I am with my parents. I am happy here. However, I am missing my place. Where I was, my office, I'm missing people. When is it going to get normal? Every day I get to hear different things, different news. The number is going up. The lockdown is going up. I mean, it was 15th, now it is 3rd May. Don't know, even the airline, they're not going to start. So these are the kind of questions people come up with.
Sir, शुरू हो भी जाएंगे ना तो एक दो महीना तो travel करना है.
Correct. So that is going to be the thing. And plus now, I had planned my vacation. Now what I do? So there are quite a few things which bugs employees. So would you ask leaders? How would you ask leaders to handle this kind of situation with the employees?
Lovely. You know what? इधर सबसे बड़ा चीज क्या है? Amit ji, a very good question actually. You will have to be more closely bonded to your team, and every time when you connect to your team, you need not always talk about work. You can actually get an off. जैसे अभी इन्होंने कहा इंडिया में virtual coffee meets हो रही है. So can you actually guys meet up on a coffee over a video platform virtually?
Yeah, Mayank Sehgal writes it. In India, many are doing virtual coffee meets.
Exactly. So, you know, जो अभी हम normally करते थे ना, otherwise lunch meets करते थे, coffee meets करते थे, बाहर जाते थे. Can we do it virtually? Can we crack a joke? Can we show our talent, singing or something like that? You know, where you guys are bonding and rejuvenating. So that वो जो missing वाला element है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. I can't get you that rolling cozy chair at your home, but then I can get you your people and that warmth at your home to an extent where you guys are laughing on a silly joke maybe, but then you're laughing, you're doing something, and this can be a great time when you know your families are just a call away. Here either I want you to see my office colleague, my friend there. और मैंने तुमको बताया था ना उसके बारे में, ये वही है. और ये थोड़ा सा इनफॉर्मल टच जो है ना, ये अभी नेगेटिविटी को कम करने के लिए भी काम में आएगा अमित जी. एंड नॉर्मल सिचुएशंस राइट नाउ इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव एज यू हैव करेक्टली सेड. फॉर विनीता इट मे बी समथिंग डिफरेंट नॉर्मल, क्योंकि जब नॉर्मल ऑफिस शुरू हो जाएंगे तब उनके लिए वरीज कुछ और हो सकती है. सो दैट मे नॉट बी नॉर्मल फॉर हर मे बी एज इट मे बी नॉर्मल फॉर यू. एंड फॉर मी नॉर्मल मे बी मोर वरिंग देन एनीथिंग एल्स. So normal is a subjective term. You have to actually find out what exactly is it that you're missing. Going out with your friends, office colleagues, and what is it that you're missing, and try to virtually create it. And which is not very difficult. Trust me, it's not very difficult. You can also do a potluck party, you know.
Potluck party.
लोग virtually आ जाओ यार, और साथ में खाना लेकर बैठ जाओ. सिर्फ इतना ही आप लोग एक दूसरे से share नहीं कर सकते हो. But that's a fun, you know. That's actually a fun. You can have a cooking challenge in your office right now during this lockdown. So anything which you haven't done it before, most of you might have not done it before, that can be converted to a challenge and do it. So I did so that reminds me from yesterday the day before to also Saturday so we started a 21 days challenge, sorry, a 15 days challenge, assuming that 3rd May is the last day of lockdown, assuming. Okay. So we started a 15 days challenge with our client ka teams. So we started from the leaders, we started doing goal setting activities with them. And then similarly, we asked them to roll it down to their teams. And there were only 3 goals that they had to write. 1 personal goal, 1 professional goal to be done within this 15 days, 1 month, 3 months. Okay? And the 3rd most important thing, कुछ ऐसा जो मन में, जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था ना, कुछ मन में छुपा था, मैं नहीं कर पाई या नहीं कर पाया, एंड somehow वो बीच में ही छूट गया. Something like that also was the 3rd goal given to them. And they all actually gave me the plans in writing. How are they going to achieve this goals? Everybody gave me this plan. So such kind of 15 days challenges, you know, you can start, where we are doing some different 15 activities in 15 days. And which can also lead to the organizational goals. Cool. Anything else?
Virtual Antakshari is on this page has been okay. Virtual Antakshari. Kamal is writing.
Virtual Antakshari, that's very true. And you can still do it. You know what, वो नाम हम आप लोग दे सकते हो यार, वो क्या बोलते थे यार हम लोग उसको, you give a shit and कमल का कुछ और fancy name दे दिया. हम लोग ने कॉलेज में खेला है. प्रणवेश, please tell me.
कौन सा?
यार, you give some funny names to each other.
Fish pond.
Fish pond. तो वैसा musical fish pond हो सकता है, or this and this kind of things can, you know, create some magic यार. थोड़ा सा lighter moments की भी बहुत जरूरत है. बहुत ज्यादा काम बात मत करो इस वक्त. They are already stressed.
Actually,
they have enough of stresses in their life. Don't give them more. कभी आप लोग टाइम पास एक्टिविटीज करा लो, कभी कुछ सीरियस एक्टिविटीज करा लो.
हम लोग ने टैलेंटेड एसपीएससी ओपन कर लिया.
सॉरी,
हम लोग ने टैलेंट एट SBFC ओपन कर लिया, एक ग्रुप ओपन किया टैलेंट। तो घर में जो भी बनाते हो ना सारा पोस्ट कर दो, कोई गाना गा रहा है, कोई खाना बना रहा है। एंड खाना बनाने के बाद इट इज स्पेशली who have learned new things and getting a comment from their wife or husband or maybe their family members that how tasty it was.
Look, it's so important. Ravi, thank you so much for being such a sport. Yeah, can I just see you before you go? I really want to see this man. He was a very sporty person today. Hi, Ravi. There you go. Thank you so much for being such a great sport. Yeah. Please. Okay, hold on. We could not hear you. Now speak.
Thanks a lot for the session. Amazing session. I'm a
Thank
coach
you so
myself.
much.
I'm a corporate
Wow.
coach myself, and I learned a lot
I
from
took
you.
you
Amazing.
as an example. Oh God.
It's okay. It's okay. I've been through that. Yeah, I've been through a career of almost 18, 21 years of in the corporate life, and I loved your examples. And I was the same. I am the same person. I was the same leader. Last I was
Lovely.
working with TCS as one of the directors.
Superb. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
You're most welcome. It was a pleasure speaking to you guys, and thanks a lot to you as well, Pranavesh.
Thank
Catch
you
you
so
guys.
much.
Thanks a
Thanks.
lot. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye. So okay, cool. So we are good to go then.
Yeah. So
Thank you so much,
thank
Pranavesh.
you
I
so much.
enjoyed, and thank you so much everybody to be here. And
Okay, thank you.
my gurus are also here.
Yeah, thank you, Supriya, for joining in with L&D Global Mumbai. This is Pranavesh and the entire team who is thanking you for the entire efforts and the valuable time that you've given for this webinar. It was an amazing session, and everybody, in fact, was a lovely audience altogether. So, thank you for joining in. Tomorrow, again, we have another different session with some other speaker. We have a 8 speaker slot again for the series Lockdown 2.0. Stay tuned, stay watching with
Do join.
Global Mumbai. Thank you so much. Collaborate, co-create, and contribute. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.